Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus channel. The U.S. Navy's Mark VI patrol boat first entered service in 2016. However, these $15 million vessels have proven among the most formidable boats in the fleet in that short time. So far, only a dozen Mark VIs have been entered into service, where they patrol riverine and littoral waters close to shore. At 84 feet long and 144,000 pounds, it's clear that a lot of technology and weaponry goes into each ship. But despite their bulk, the Mark VIs are known to reach speeds of up to 45 knots or 52 miles per hour. Among the offensive weapons on board are two MC-38 25mm chain guns, several .50 caliber machine guns, and gun mounts for Mk-19 grenade launchers. With its impressive speed and versatility, the Mark VI is ideal for many uses related to maritime peacekeeping and border enforcement.
Look smart. Okay, we don't want this operation to go great, and then...
Due to the boat's highly advanced nature, Mark VI crews had to undergo extensive training before taking control of an actual vessel. The ships can operate with a complement of 10, 3 of which will be in the pilot house at any given time. Each boat is fully networked as well, with a command, control, communication, and surveillance suite to provide enhanced awareness and mission support. This is evident in the many flat-screen monitors mounted throughout the ship. Another impressive feature of the Mark VI is its rear deck, which can launch and recover small boats, unmanned submersibles, and unmanned aerial vehicles. Training with the various weapons systems aboard the Mark VI is also a crucial part of crew preparation. Like many other combat-ready boats, the Mark VI has multiple mounts where various types of machine guns can be mounted. This team is in Bahrain, in the Arabian Gulf, performing a live fire test of the medium and heavy weapons on the ship's deck. In order to better simulate real combat, the team first creates an inflatable target, then circles around so that gunners can engage the floating target at various ranges. While the gunners operate the weapons, spotters coach them on whether they need to aim higher, lower, or further to the side. This helps the entire crew better understand how they might perform in a real combat scenario. In many cases, patrol boats like the Mark VI must partner with aerial counterparts like helicopters and planes. These aircraft can move faster and see further than the boats can. So they're able to inform them of potential threats or obstacles well ahead of time. Helicopters are also useful in the event there is an injury or accident aboard a Mark VI or other vessel. These groups will frequently practice evacuation exercises to ensure they're able to perform if and when there is a real medical emergency. Such operations consist of a Mark VI calling for airborne assistance. The responding helicopter get into a hovering position above it. From here, a harness or stretcher can be lowered to retrieve the injured individual. Given the wind and motion of the water, these operations are extremely delicate. As the pilot must keep the aircraft directly above the boat so as not to put anyone involved at risk. The United States Navy has an entire team dedicated to maintaining and operating small craft like patrol boats and attack boats. It's known as the Special Warfare Combat Craft Crewman, or SWCC. All of the sailors that serve in the SWCC undergo rigorous amphibious training in boating and weapons tactics, as well as how to support Navy SEALs in their various mission types.
Hands on the front! Hey! Is he dead?
For these individuals, training can last up to 37 weeks. The SWCC places a strong emphasis on weapons training. As the types of missions these men and women are expected to participate in are often clandestine and therefore carry a high risk. Special combat boats are typically armed with miniguns and machine guns capable of sending hundreds of rounds a minute at potential threats, whether they're in the water or on the nearby shore. SWCC training takes place all over the United States. Particularly in the winding rivers and thick brush of the American South. This team of trainees from Special Boat Team 22 is conducting weapons training in Mississippi. This particular tactic involves the boat moving down the river, while the men aboard provide heavy cover fire. At times, the boat captain will actually spin the boat so that the gunners can get a better idea of what it might be like to engage the enemy in real life. These riverine patrol boats are rigid-hulled and armored, but offer no protection for the men on board. Therefore, the tactic of firing as many bullets as possible into the surrounding shoreline is crucial to prevent the enemy from targeting the boat. In some combat scenarios, a military might need a fast-moving, heavily armed ship that is also capable of carrying troops to and from a specific area. Since 1991, the Swedish-made CB-90 class fast assault craft has been the go-to vessel for this type of operation. The CB-90 is 52 feet long and around 12 feet wide at the waterline. Thanks to its powerful V8 diesel engines, it can reach speeds of around 50 miles per hour. The real difference between the CB-90 and a patrol boat class vessel is that the former can carry up to 21 amphibious troops and their equipment. So in a situation where a platoon might need to get somewhere downriver, the boat can navigate the area quickly while using its machine guns and deck-mounted grenade launchers to stave off any potential attack. As with any fast-moving boat designed to operate in rivers or littoral waters, maneuverability is essential. For that reason, captains and crews practice regularly in a variety of different waterways. The CB-90 is capable of taking extremely sharp turns without the risk of capsizing, and can adjust both its pitch and roll angle while underway. In particularly shallow waters, it can utilize water jet propulsion instead of using propellers. Outside of Budapest, Hungary, a team of Hungarian Special Forces and U.S. Navy Special Warfare operators are testing their riverine capabilities in a multinational exercise known as Black Swan. This includes the use of a variety of fast boats, weapons, and tactics designed to enhance each team's cooperative abilities. Patrol boats and fast boats come in a variety of sizes and types, each with its advantages and disadvantages. Thanks to decades of technological advancement, boats like the Mark VI and CB-90 are able to carry more, move faster, and ensure as many soldiers as possible make it back home. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.